In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Microsoft Teams account using the mobile app. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure that your account is removed completely. First, you'll want to open the Microsoft Teams app on your mobile device. Find the app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Opening the app will take you to the sign-in page, where you'll need to access your account. Once you're on the sign-in page, enter your account credentials. This typically includes your email address and password. Ensure that you have the correct information to avoid any unnecessary login issues. After entering your credentials, click on the Next button to proceed. After successfully logging into your account, you'll be guided to the setup page where you need to tap on Get Started. This will complete the login process and take you directly to the Teams homepage. Now that you're on the homepage of Microsoft Teams, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This page is the hub where you can access your chats, meetings, and other key features. Next, focus your attention on the left side of the screen where you'll see your profile icon. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu with more options related to your account. In the profile drop-down, you'll find various settings you can adjust, but for now, go ahead and click on Settings. This is the section where we can manage our account details and preferences. Within the Settings menu, scroll through to find the Delete Account option. It's important to note that deleting your account is a permanent action, so make sure this is indeed what you want to do before proceeding. Once you're sure, click on Delete Account. The app might ask you to confirm your decision a couple of times to ensure that you don't accidentally delete something crucial. Follow any additional prompts or confirmation screens carefully, and that's it! You've successfully deleted your Microsoft Teams account from the mobile app. Take a moment to ensure that you've removed everything you intended before closing the app. Deleting your Microsoft Teams account can free you up from unwanted notifications or connectivity, especially if you're moving to another platform or simplifying your online presence. Remember that this process is irreversible, so always double check that you're ready to let go of your account before proceeding with these steps. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials that make tech a breeze. See you in the next video.